Hi there, welcome back to Friday Basics. In today's video, we're going to learn one of the quickest factorization techniques in algebra, which is perfect square factorization. Let's start with the pattern. We have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And the answer is a plus b squared. In fact, in this perfect square trinomial, we have three terms. The first and the last terms are perfect squares, and the middle term is twice the product of a square root of first and last terms. You can see that when we want to write the right side of this form, for finding the first term, you just need to find the square root of first term. In order to find b, find the square root of the last term. And then if you have a positive sign in the middle term, so we have a positive sign here. But if the middle term is negative, so we have negative sign in front of second term. Okay. Let's solve some examples. The first example, x squared plus 10x plus 25. So we can see that we have perfect square trinomial. Okay, the first term is x squared. A square root of x squared is x. The square root of last term is 5. And 2y x times 5 is 10x and is positive. So we have a positive sign here. So we can factorize the left side to x plus 5 squared. And now let's jump into the second example. Y squared minus 12y plus 36. A square root of y squared is y. A square root of 36 is 6. 2y 6 is 12 times y is 12y. And the middle term is negative, so 6 is negative. Okay, and how about the third example? We have 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Okay, so you can see that we have coefficient of 4 for x squared, but that's okay. Square root of 4x squared is 2x. Square root of 25 is 5. 2x times 5 is 10x times 2 is 20x. So that's correct. We should check for all of them. And because the middle term is positive, we have positive here. How about this one? 8x squared minus 24x plus 18. Okay, we have three terms, so we should check for perfect square trinomial. Okay, if we want to take a square root of 8x squared, so 8 is not perfect squared. And the same for square root of 18. But if we focus of all three terms, we found that all of these three terms are divisible by 2 because all of them are even numbers. So first of all, I'm going to factor out 2. And the remaining part is 4x squared. 24 over 2 is 12. And 18 over 2 is 9. And now we found that these three terms are good for perfect square factorization. A square root of 4x squared is 2x. Don't forget to write 2. So 2x. square root of 9 is 3. 2x times 3 is 6x, times 2 is 12, which is completely correct, and the middle term is negative. So we factor out this expression to this one using factorization by common term and perfect square factorization. Okay, this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. Also, I highly recommend you to watch part 1 and part 2 of factorization lesson and watch part 4, which is about factorizing expressions with 4 terms. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye for now.